the door.
Okay. You have to back up, though. You backing up?
Yeah.
Oh, here comes somebody we know.
Hey.
Here's Daddy.
Oh, no.
We're going to ride the elevator one more time real quick, Daddy.
Okay.
Okay, come on. Let's ride it one more time before lunch. Supper.
Okay. Where's the Sims and North Carolina.
In Harrison.
Arkansas.
Yeah.
Let's just go back and buttons. Buttons. Ow. My buttons fell in the hand.
Oh, what's...
Fell in the hand. Facebook.
Go down to one.
Oh no, look at the handrail.
Yeah, right here's the handrail. It's right here. Right in front of you. Okay, let's go back up. Okay, let's go.
Where you put the ice in?
There's usually a bucket in the
What a
bathroom.
bucket in there.
Oh,
I'll go down there and ask.
what's that?
Come on, Bubba.
What's that?
Oh, what is that?
Pips.
Mm-hmm.
That's not pips. That is cones. I want to go look at colors.
Well, we're actually it's time for supper, so we're gonna go and eat some supper.
Huh? What's that?
This is the vending machine. Here's the buttons.
Buttons. Oh. Oh, buttons. One button. Two buttons. One button. Two button. Three button. Oh, look at all these buttons. Let's go to three, one, two, oh. Oh, look at this button. Oh. What is that?
The ice machine.
Let me see. Okay. Oh, what is that?
Trash can.
Huh? Let's get a room tour.
Okay. Daddy has the room key because Mommy apparently thought she had it and didn't have it. Right here, babe. This way. To the right.
No, I want to why the oldest is 6. Mama, I want to why the oldest is 6.
Wait just a minute. Somebody's coming up.
What y'all doing?
Well, Mommy's looking for the room key. I had it in my pocket.
You put it in these front in the
I
front.
know. I'll look in the room again.
You lost your key already.
Terry. It's time to eat supper. Come on.
Come on, Terry.
Oh.
We'll come back. We'll be back. Come on.
Oh.
Come on, love. Follow Daddy.